In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best budget robot vacuums available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Roborock E55 Robot Vacuum. The E4 also has a potent 5200 mAh battery, which is unheard of in robots in this price range and is found in the more expensive Roborock S7. This battery allows the E4 to operate for roughly 200 minutes. The ECOVACS, which is its main rival for this position, only lasts 130 minutes. Runtime isn't as significant as it formerly was because the majority of bots can recharge and resume. However, if your bot can complete the task in a single step, it is still more convenient. There are no mapping functions, as with other inexpensive robot vacuums, so if you want to construct keep-out zones and a door won't work, you'll need to buy some magnetic tape. The Roborock E4 also has 4 suction levels: silent, balanced, turbo, and max, and an incredibly large 640 milliliter bin, so you can use it for a light clean without making a lot of noise. It works with both Google Home and Alexa from Amazon. However, voice commands are only able to start, stop, and pause without mapping. At number 2 is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum. With the mapping option, you may program a timetable to clean only particular rooms, or you can send it out whenever you want to only clean the kitchen or living room. Since it doesn't attempt to clean the entire house on each run, this makes it less obtrusive. As a result, you're less likely to discover it sitting silently in a corner after an irate family member turned it off. However, because iRobot utilizes its own navigation technology rather than LIDAR, which most other mapping bots use to map in seconds, it does take a while to initially map your home. iRobot's most economical self-emptying model is the i3 Plus EVO. You can get a powerful Roomba vacuum with similar suction power and battery life for many $100s less than the J7 Plus. For about $300, you can also purchase the i3 as a standalone vacuum. It does, however, have a propensity to collide with objects more frequently than the J7, most likely as a result of the absence of a camera. At number 3 on our list is the Shark RV2502AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark's newest vacuum is the first from the brand to utilize LiDAR mapping. This significantly raises the bot's level and increases its dependability compared to some of Shark's earlier variants. Additionally, it is only intended to serve as a self-emptying bot. It cannot be purchased individually. You can obtain the majority of the functionality of high-end bots that cost half as much again for just over $600. The Shark is a mapping robot with room-specific cleaning and app-enabled no-go areas. Additionally, it features a useful zones function that allows you to plan the cleaning of specific portions of your home, such as the hallway and a portion of the living room. This works well for frequent, brief cleanings in busy locations because it doesn't require constant setup like some clean zone solutions. Moving up at number 4 is the ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro Robot Vacuum. The monster that is the DEEBOT U2 Pro. One of the finest sub-$400 bots for pet owners, it has a massive 800 milliliters dustbin and a 3200 mAh battery that lasts for 150 minutes. Although it lacks AI obstacle avoidance, keep-out zones, or smart mapping, it has sufficient intelligence to travel in straight lines rather than stumble around your house. The large bin plus the fact that it includes a swappable bin and mopping pad make it an excellent pet robot. This means that if your dog produces a mess, you can switch roles right away and have it cleaned up in a short amount of time. The app offers a spot cleaning mode. The second bin is particularly big for a cheap robot because it includes a 400 milliliters trash can with a 300 milliliters water reservoir. This guarantees there is enough water to remove the dirt, and the app lets you choose from various water levels. At number 5 is the EUFY G20 Hybrid Robot Vacuum. This little, almost silent robot is the perfect, budget-friendly choice for a tiny apartment or to use as a second bot in an upstairs room or home office. It now costs $200, only lasts 90 minutes, lacks smart mapping capabilities, and does not have smart obstacle avoidance. The vacuum I tried, however, is the smallest and quietest. Despite being a cheap bot, it avoids the traditional bump and roll navigation method in favor of gyroscopic navigation, which allows it to segment the room into distinct regions and thoroughly clean each one. Watching it operate as it travels up and down in orderly, rectangular boxes is rather calming. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.